There is a way that you can actually reduce that sway, going from 65 in the lordosis to 57. So from the 25th of May to the 25th of June is 1 month, and that's an 8-degree drop, roughly 2 degrees a week. We continued on from the 25th of June to the 21st of July, again, a 9-degree drop, and again, another 2 degrees per week. So this person here is experiencing profound health improvements. It's possible to reduce the lumbar lordosis from 65, 57 to 48. This is a 2-month program. Incidentally, what happened was his P to A, that's looking from behind to the front, scoliosis changed. And there's no doubt that there is a link between the sagittal curve and the coronal curve. Here it is in the thoracic section. Again, here it is in the lumbar section as well. Here's another person using the same technique, but also this time affecting their thoracic kyphosis, hunch, Scheuermann's in this region. It's going from 84 to 75 in 1 month. And again, in another gentleman here who started at 110. Now, this gentleman has actually paved the way for many others because he's been with me for 4 years. He's dropped 30 degrees. He's gone from 110 down to 80 degrees. But what we're doing in years now, we're actually achieving in weeks and months here in these 2 new clients in the clinic.